This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks, intelligent car. Let's discover the universe with supercomputing power. Now, we can explore Mars in class. With a vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization, together with our partners, Huawei is building the Horizon digital platform and ecosystem, integrating new ICT technology and bringing an intelligent world to life through digital transformation. This isn't magic. It's intelligent finance, envisioning business opportunities. You'll never miss a moment in the high-speed world of investing. This isn't science fiction. It's intelligent transportation, linking vast distances, connecting business centers, suburbs, and the outskirts. A city's blueprints can redefine efficiency for everyone. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. Intelligent campus and intelligent city are on the rise. With intelligent brains to think on their own. This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks, intelligent car. Let's discover the universe with supercomputing power. Now, we can explore Mars in class. With a vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization, together with our partners, Huawei is building the Horizon digital platform and ecosystem, integrating new ICT technology and bringing an intelligent world to life through digital transformation. This isn't magic. It's intelligent finance, envisioning business opportunities. You'll never miss a moment in the high-speed world of investing. This isn't science fiction. It's intelligent transportation, linking vast distances, connecting business centers, suburbs, and the outskirts. A city's blueprints can redefine efficiency for everyone. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. Intelligent campus and intelligent city are on the rise. With intelligent brains to think on their own. This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks, intelligent car. Let's discover the universe with supercomputing power. Now, we can explore Mars in class. With a vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization, together with our partners, Huawei is building the Horizon digital platform and ecosystem, integrating new ICT technology and bringing an intelligent world to life through digital transformation. This isn't magic. It's intelligent finance, envisioning business opportunities. You'll never miss a moment in the high-speed world of investing. This isn't science fiction. It's intelligent transportation, linking vast distances, connecting business centers, suburbs, and the outskirts. A city's blueprints can redefine efficiency for everyone. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. Intelligent campus and intelligent city are on the rise. With intelligent brains that think on their own. This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks, intelligent car. Let's discover the universe with supercomputing power. Now, we can explore Mars in class. With a vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization. Together with our partners, Huawei is building the Horizon digital platform and ecosystem, integrating new ICT technology and bringing an intelligent world to life through digital transformation. This isn't magic, it's intelligent finance, envisioning business opportunities. You'll never miss a moment in the high-speed world of investing. This isn't science fiction. It's intelligent transportation, linking vast distances, connecting business centers, suburbs, and the outskirts. A city's blueprints can redefine efficiency for everyone. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. Intelligent campus and intelligent city are on the rise. With intelligent brains that think on their own. This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks, intelligent car. Let's discover the universe with supercomputing power. Now, we can explore Mars in class. With a vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization. Together with our partners, Huawei is building the Horizon digital platform and ecosystem, integrating new ICT technology and bringing an intelligent world to life through digital transformation. This isn't magic, it's intelligent finance, envisioning business opportunities. You'll never miss a moment in the high-speed world of investing. This isn't science fiction. It's intelligent transportation, linking vast distances, connecting business centers, suburbs, and the outskirts. A city's blueprints can redefine efficiency for everyone. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. Intelligent campus and intelligent city are on the rise. With intelligent brains that think on their own. This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks, intelligent car. Let's discover the universe with supercomputing power. we can explore Mars in class. With a vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization, together with our partners, Huawei is building the Horizon digital platform and ecosystem, integrating new ICT technology and bringing an intelligent world to life through digital transformation. This isn't magic. It's intelligent finance, envisioning business opportunities. You'll never miss a moment in the high-speed world of investing. This isn't science fiction. It's intelligent transportation, linking vast distances, connecting business centers, suburbs, and the outskirts. A city's blueprints can redefine efficiency for everyone. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. Intelligent campus and intelligent city are on the rise. With intelligent brains to think on their own. This isn't the future. This is now. Hi, intelligent world. Hi, intelligent world. Thanks.
Intelligence. With it, we can infinitely explore uncharted boundaries. For when technology empowers education and our intellects are interconnected, the race to accelerate the digital journey of education will kick off. With one entrance, we are entering a new realm of possibilities where intelligence sparks wisdom. Classrooms transcend geographical boundaries, and streamlined communication put the best resources within reach. Through collaborative creation, hidden gems are uncovered. As every detail is perceived, each child is understood. Breaking through space and time, our minds can journey to a world of wonder. And we stay curious as we navigate the road to the future, embracing a brighter and better world. That's not all. For educators, intelligence improves the quality and efficiency of communication. Wisdom flows to every corner of the world, and all children can equally reap the green benefits of smart education. Campuses feature ubiquitous intelligence, while students and teachers access networks anytime and anywhere. Self-service O&M powered by AI relieves the burden on IT personnel. And the cloud breaks the space limits to create an ultra-broadband, flexible, and green intelligence network. From learning to living, and teaching to management, ubiquitous connectivity, convenient resource sharing, and refined management make campuses smarter, safer, and closer. Huawei Intelligent Education Solution is committed to cultivating innovative talent in education through connectivity, AI, cloud computing, and other technologies, and narrowing the digital divide to promote the balanced development of basic education. This empowers the intelligent and digital transformation of education as a whole, unleashing the full potential of intelligence. Huawei. Accelerate the digital journey of education.
Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Huawei Global Intelligent Education Summit 2021. The theme of this Education Summit is to accelerate the digital journey of education and bring new value together. This is the first day of this summit. As first speaker, I'd like to welcome the President of the Global Government Sales in the Enterprise Business Group of Huawei, Mr. Thomas Xu, who will speak about to accelerate the digital journey of education, creating new value together. Mr. Thomas Xu.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas Xu. Glad to have you here. Today, I'm about to share with you Huawei's insights on education and what we are doing to accelerate the digital journey of education. Huawei is a leading global provider of information and communications technology infrastructure and smart devices. We are committed to bringing digital to everyone, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. At Huawei, innovation focuses on customer needs. We invest heavily in basic research, concentrating on technological breakthroughs that drive the world forward. Operating in more than 170 countries and regions, we are gaining increasing recognition for our continuous progress. In the past 3 years, our sales revenue grew steadily despite the harsh market environment around the globe, with a compound growth rate of 23%. In 2020, we ranked 49th in the Fortune Global 500. Now I would like to dive deep into the achievement we have made in the education industry, a field to which we have committed ourselves for more than 10 years. As in all other fields, we maintain neutral in the education market and aim to build a solid foundation for industry development. We adhere to openness and cooperation. Huawei is now working with more than 60 partners such as Learning Online, eBoard, EEO, Tech Education, and Missware, etc., to provide innovative applications for education customers. Huawei Open Labs are centers for joint innovation, R&D, test, and experience. Up to date, we have built 10 open labs around the world to provide localized and scenario-based solutions for regional customers. We are passionate about education. We supported more than 2,600 universities and colleges, and 500,000 primary and secondary schools in more than 70 countries. Huawei is now serving 32 of the world's top 100 QS universities, and we will continue to work with educational customers to build a better educational world through technological innovations. Driven by digital transformation, future intelligent education will have omnipresent awareness, be fully connected, and feature multidimensional intelligence in teaching, management, and research. First, omnipresent awareness means digital platforms will digitalize everything, such as people, things, locations, etc. Second, fully connected education will be achieved through the implementation of the latest Wi-Fi 6, SDN, cloud computing, big data, and other technologies. Last but not least, intelligence. Empowered by big data technology, the intelligent learning management platform will enable more intelligent teaching, such as hybrid learning, collaborative classroom, intelligent collaboration, etc. Finally, I hope this session will serve as a platform to spark new ideas, gain and share new insights, and inspire actions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thomas Xu, President of the Global Government Sales in the Enterprise Business Group of Huawei, for your insights on accelerating the digital journey of education and creating new value together. Our next speaker is Professor Zhao Jianhua, who is the Senior Expert of International Center for Higher Education Innovation under the auspices of UNESCO. Professor Zhao Jianhua is going to speak about global views on leveraging ICT to support higher education innovation. Please welcome Professor Zhao Jianhua.
Hello everyone, I'm happy to join this great event. My presentation focuses on global views on leveraging ICT to support higher education innovation. No doubt, ICT plays a critical role in supporting higher education innovation. There is a long history about how to leverage ICT to support higher education innovation. There were many kinds of ICTs, for example, computer, projector, laptop, pen. Most recent popular ICT have been replaced by AI. Actually, AI also has a long history started from 1950. Horizon Report Higher Education Edition also demonstrated how HTs have been used in supporting innovation in the field of higher education. The updated new HTs include many kinds of technologies, such as big data, cloud computer, AI, VI, and AI, etc. When we discuss HT support higher education innovation, the better way is to know how many influencing factors could be involved. Actually, there are internal factors, for example, policies, HT types, teachers, students, and others, and external factors such as various stakeholders. This could help us to understand how to leverage HT to support higher education innovation. In order to demonstrate how it works, I would like to share one case which we initiated in our institution, UNESCO International Center for Higher Education Innovation. We call it Digital Education Link Project, which could represent how HTs used to leverage higher education innovation. The goals of this project are establish partnership with key local universities in countries along the Belt and Road and the Maritime Silk Road, and to promote these universities to apply HTs to teaching, scientific research, and management. The first stage of this project includes 3 Southeast Asian countries, Cambodia, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. And 5 African countries include Ethiopia, Djibouti, Egypt, Namibia, and Uganda. The innovative outcomes from this project showed to us mutual understanding and trust have been enhanced by the establishment of an ICT-enhanced digital education link for participating universities in Asia and Africa. The ICT literacy for teachers has been greatly improved. Enterprises have played the role of the bridge for advancing the digital education link program, creating a close connection in the link partner universities. So therefore, 2 conclusions can be carried out from this presentation, which the first is enterprises play a vital role of pushing and also promoting the application of HET in higher education, in the HET driving higher education innovation practice model. And the second is the design and the organizations of the targeted capacity building training based on HET driven higher education innovation practice plays an active role in solving the problem of the lack of the HET application abilities of the teacher in our partner universities. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Zhao Jianhua, Senior Expert of International Center for Higher Education Innovation under the auspices of UNESCO. Our next speaker is Mr. Frank Huang, Director, Education and Healthcare Department in the Global Government Business Unit of Huawei Enterprise Business Group. He will introduce solutions that are labeled All-Scenario Intelligent Education. Mr. Frank Huang.
Hi everyone, I'm Frank Huang. I'm very pleased to have you here for sharing views on the topic of accelerating the digital journey of intelligent education. Today, I'm about to introduce Huawei's understandings for scenario solutions and best practice regarding education digital transformation. So talking about the digital transformation, we aim to eventually achieve digitalization through digital and digitalization efforts. We know that in the first digital phase, it mainly emphasized on the basic IT and infrastructure implementation, whereas followed by the second digitalization phase, we care more about the people and service-oriented by upgrading all necessary ICT facilities. On the current stage, for those leading universities or education systems, they are thinking more about how to use new technologies, including big data, cloud, digital twin, etc., to realize all-dimensional intelligence in the perspectives of learning, administration, data governance, campus services, decision-making, etc. Huawei has been committed to providing state-of-the-art ICT solutions for global education customers for more than 10 years. As a trusted and professional partner, we work together with customers including basic education, higher education, as well as national research and education network organizations to promote schools' internet accessibility for education equity, smart college campus for upgrading their tutoring, service, and management capabilities, and advanced academic network and facilities for scientific research innovations. Here is our full scenario solution portfolio for all customer segments mentioned above. In the smart classroom scenario, by integration of our interactive flat panel ideal help product, Huawei Cloud, and a certified partners learning management system, we offer solutions including hybrid learning, collaborative classroom, and the digital classroom to transform the future learning as more engaging and no more space limitation. Whereas in smart campus scenario, Huawei's smart network, safety, and intelligent cooperation solutions enable our customers to be more efficiently managing all activities for providing quality services in the campus. As for the scientific research, we have proved our success in providing high-performance computing and national research and education network solutions. Last but not least, Huawei Ict Academy program has been working with more than 900 universities globally for talent cultivation. Among all those above-mentioned solutions, it is necessary to highlight the significance of campus network, which is considered as the infrastructure foundation to sustain the entire education ICT blueprint becomes true. In Huawei's Smart Campus Network solution, the core concept is about convergence by realizing the comprehensive fusion of full wireless coverage for integrated networks and services, and for intelligent operation and maintenance. Here I would like to share some best practice delivered in recent years. For instance, in Codiva, in order to boost their nationwide basic education ICT development level and promote education equity, the MOE chose Huawei to implement the total solutions, including educational dedicated wide area network, centralized cloud data center, school wireless coverage, e-learning platform, VDR classroom, and so forth, which has been benefited to nearly 133 schools and 74 educational organizations, as well as more than 2,300,000 teachers and students. Now we see the class in Codiva is changing. Learning is no more limited inside the classroom, but also through internet, remote learning, and all those kinds of technologies, which tremendously improves the nation's education sustainable development. Another case is Suzhou University in China. Suzhou University has 26 faculties and departments, and nearly 50,000 students, which was listed by the Nature Index as one of the fastest rising universities in the world. Finding ways to provide high-quality services for rapid increasing students through digital technologies, without building more venues, investing on more unnecessary hardware, nor hiring more staff, is a priority for the university's sustainable development. Huawei helped Suzhou University to deliver the real-time open multi-cloud edge platform to converge all the data from previous solid subsystems, unify data exports, and simplify data service. Thanks to the data governance solution, the new online service rollout cycle is now shortened and quick integration becomes possible. The last case is from Untable, the Advanced National Research and Education Network, who is the largest education ICT service provider in the UAE. Untable selected Huawei as its new long-term cloud solution provider and a strategic technology partner, taking full advantage of Huawei's technology solutions. In cooperation with Huawei, Untable has now established the best education cloud in the UAE and the entire Middle East, making it accessible for universities and educational institutions. Huawei deployed a full cloud stack solution, including a cloud platform, software-defined networking, and high-speed data center network, and high-performance all-flash storage. Just as Professor Fahim, who is the CEO of Untable, said, Huawei's technology enables us to offer cloud services to our partner institutions throughout the UAE, which makes the academic process more efficient, reducing expense and boosting collaborative work to benefit education and research facilities alike. In today's and tomorrow's following keynotes, you will be listening more detailed introduction about those solutions, as well as successful stories. Thanks again for joining our Intelligent Education Summit. I hope you will be enjoying all the contents we have prepared for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Frank Huang, Director, Education and Healthcare Department of the Global Government Business Unit in Huawei Enterprise. Our next speaker is Mr. Fahim Al-Nuaimi, who is the CEO of Ankabut in the United Arab Emirates. He will speak about software-defined data centers to activate intelligence in Ankabut's education services. Mr. Fahim Al-Nuaimi.
Hi everybody. Activating intelligent in education and intelligent software-defined data center is the trend for today. There is different trends has been encouraged education industries. Most of the education entities, higher and higher education, or in K-12, that they want to get rid out of these all equipments, all software, hardwares, and also they want to get rid out of learning models, the old learning models in class and very traditional paradigmatic way of teaching. So they don't want to have high expensive hardware, software, and they want to increase the engagements and improve the efficiency through unified management, through centralized system, and also utilizing the demand and assess the demand of the organization. This is the trend today for educations. It's no more this pandemic and this situation has been changed. The trend from the normal in a class, traditional way with normal lean, normal learning materials to the online, all of it, e-content, and also very low cost and optimized cost. So enabling, increasing, and modernizing the education system is essentials and become part of the education industry. So definitely that all will be driven by innovations and by intelligent ICT. Today what's going on, the trend of the intelligent ICT, starting from the cloud computing to the SDN, to the big data, to the container AI and HPC and Hadoop and others and containers, this will be enabling the future classroom. I think that future classroom will be totally different. It's not only will be virtualized and online, but it will have embedded in a creating way of teaching, virtual reality, learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and there will be a lot of communication and intelligence in that campus and outside the campus as well. So no longer that chairs which we see it's behind each other in the classrooms, or there is technical resource or poor management of that resources. So the innovation what's going on, it will drive all this education system in the future. We in Ankabut, as you know, we are the National Research Education Networks in UAE. We are focusing in different key drivers. The main key driver for us is to consolidate the infrastructures and to build that education ecosystem, including the cloud, and based on software-defined and APIs. Cloud service provider today, there is a lot of cloud service provider today in the world and in the country, but they are not focused. They don't have the know-how of the education like Ankabut. We are most focusing on know-how of education, either from access point, from access systems, all the way to the cloud. So, and we are education and knowledge enabler. So we are really taking UAE to the next step of educations online and with innovation. The capability and the new technology of this ecosystem. That came our partnership with Huawei to enable this, to make this happening in the ground, because what we developed as a software-defined data centers and the ICM that give us this capability to improve these drivers and encourage them. Software-defined data center today, everybody talking about software-defined data center, but there is figures, there is things need really very important to talk about software-defined data centers. When you have defined data center and it's difficult to use, it's not software-defined data center. When you don't have done multi-cloud management, it's not data center, software-defined data center. So you need things which is with centralized cloud management, with easy, flexible dimensioning and scaling, with service cloudifications, as well data analytic and data storage and analysis, and also the automation of the operation and maintenance, which is really very important to have it in the software-defined data center. Huawei today, the software-defined data center is very open system, and it also provide all these applications on the platform, down from the infrastructure all the way to the cloud management platform and marketplace and the industry marketplace. Now, when we develop these cloud data centers, especially with Huawei, and we tried to see how we can manage it for multi-universities. We cannot have a system or a cloud which is only specific for certain universities. We need to have really management centers. So with the Intelligent Campus Management System, I master NCA campus from Huawei, it gave us flexibility to automate everything. We automate the design, we automate the network deployment, and we even the automation network policies. It's very difficult if you don't have unified policy in your clouds. But having the ICMC, it enables Ankabut to go further for all these, what I said, as automation in the networks and automation in the network policies and also in the network deployments. We are happy really to have this ICMS with us, and we feel that we are the unique and the only one in this part of the world who have this capability because of our partnership with Huawei. All what I said in general, it focus on how flexible, how automated solution is there, and how it's unified. So we enable the schools to go immediately. So if we go in a summary of all what we said, the cloud business transformations is very big pillars where it will save a lot. So we are really looking for cost-effective hybrid models and open standards. Unified management system, as I said, with Huawei Unified Management System, it's give us unified management system with monitoring, orchestrating, and also auto provision and simplicity. Operation reliability, we have very reliable software-defined data centers. Since we install it, we don't have even a single incident which it affect us. When you have operation reliability of the solutions, then that means you have best cloud, best practice, knowledge management, and also applications. Service innovation, agility, and efficiency. It's very important. You see, you don't want only to bring equipment or bring a hardware which it is not efficient, it's not reliable, and also it's not giving you the agility and the mission critical applications. With the software-defined data center from Huawei, we have a lot of mission critical application, and we have a smart analysis for the data. We also optimize the cost of all universities and schools in the UAE. So we encourage all the institutes in UAE to join us in this journey, which we are leading it with Huawei and giving getting support from Huawei to make it as a unique business case in this part of the world. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you for your valuable insights, Mr. Fahem Al-Nuaimi, who is the CEO of Ankabut in the UAE. Our next speaker will talk about cloud-enabled development, a new path for higher vocational education. Mrs. Xu Lei is Associate Professor and PhD in the Guangdong Polytechnic of Science and Technology. Mrs. Xu Lei.
Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Xu from Guangdong Polytechnic of Science and Technology, GPST for short. I'm happy to share with you details of our cooperation with Huawei, exploring cloud-enabled higher vocational education, and our experiences building cloud-based smart campuses. I will cover 3 areas today: the challenges we faced before partnering with Huawei, our exploration with Huawei, and our perspectives on future cooperation with Huawei. GPST has 2 campuses, one in Zhuhai and one in Guangzhou. Both are scenic coastal cities in China's southern Guangdong province. We have more than 29,000 full-time students and 17 Tier 2 academies, including the Computer Engineering Institute, the Business Institute, and the Robotics Institute. Quite simply, aligning with international standards, GPST wants to be the leading higher vocational education group here in China. The Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area is a key part of China's Belt and Road Initiative. As a result, the area is undergoing rapid development, and the demand for skilled professionals is growing at pace. It's not only industry-specific skills that are required either. There is real need for administrative talent to effectively manage city clusters. Indeed, as cooperation between industry and education grows, and as collaboration between schools and enterprises expands, vocational education itself has become an extremely fertile domain. But naturally, that doesn't mean there aren't challenges. For example, information silos impact the user experience, and ICT development is often unable to effectively support teaching services. Enterprises and colleges are also unable to effectively collaborate with each other when it comes to student enablement, course resource preparation, talent development, and employment. At the end of 2019, President Li Longtu of GPST led a team visit to Huawei. The 2 parties had a productive discussion, and in April 2020, we signed a strategic cooperation agreement to jointly build cloud-enabled GPST. So, we began to reshape our culture, regain our strengths, and reinvigorate our campuses, all through digital transformation. Over the last year, GPST, Huawei, and other ecosystem partners have co-constructed a truly prosperous ecosystem to jointly explore cloud-enabled development in higher vocational education together. We have already succeeded in a number of projects. For example, the Cloud-Enabled Higher Vocational Education Research Institute. We have also successfully implemented a number of programs, including Kunpeng Digital Talent Cultivation, Smart Campus Development and Innovation, and Vocational Education Big Data Research. The list goes on. Such projects are helping us set the standards for cloud-enabled higher vocational education development out in the real world. In addition, GPST and Huawei are jointly contributing to China's digital economic development. GPST and Huawei have co-established the Kunpeng Digital Academy, innovation workshops, industry training bases, master studios, and other enablement organizations with Huawei's 1+X certification process, consistent investment, and expert resources. We are now training more than 300 professionals for Huawei's ecosystem every year. For smart campus construction, we have used the Huawei technology to build an integrated digital platform. This platform serves as a hybrid cloud base offering diverse public capabilities, centrally connecting WeLink mobile terminals and building a cloud environment for intelligent teaching. Our HQ data center now supports better data management and sharing, and all data silos have been torn down. Unified smart campus architecture allows for more efficient school-enterprise collaboration, and it fosters teacher-student synergy in service development, improving the user experience. GPST and Huawei also collaborate with multiple education organizations to provide data analytics services for the government, society, and colleges. Our big data technology is assisting education-related decision-making. We have worked with leading companies and colleges to set up the cloud-enabled Higher Vocational Education Research Institute. Looking to the future, we will continue our cooperation with Huawei to build the cloud-enabled GPST into a new digital platform that converges production and teaching together. We will find a new path for the intelligent development of higher vocational education. Focusing on teachers and students, we will use new technologies and a unified platform to perform even more elastic innovation, realizing intelligent, convenient, precise, and innovative education. This vision for a cloud-enabled GPST will remain our development strategy for the next decade. With Huawei at our side, we will gradually build a new GPST that is more elastic, agile, and efficient. Indeed, on-demand teaching management allows us to flexibly adapt to national strategies, industry upgrades, and local city developments. Both GPST and Huawei will continue to focus on talent development, in turn serving industry development and city upgrades. GPST produces qualified professionals to support Huawei's innovation in Zhuhai, driving the implementation of applications for ecosystem partners. Fresh innovation made by Huawei and its partners will in return create more jobs for GPST students and other ICT industry practitioners. This closed-loop development mode places industry upgrade in Zhuhai onto the fast track. GPST fully intends to be a pioneer exploring a new path of cloud-enabled higher vocational education development. The first phase centers on framework development. We will build a unified platform and portal, laying a foundation for cloud-enabled GPST. In the second phase, we will complete the digitalization of our core services. In addition, we will seamlessly interconnect with enterprises to help them achieve cloud-enabled development as well. In the third phase, we will use big data to assist decision-making and achieve personalized talent development. Over the next 3 to 5 years, we will work to make cloud-enabled GPST the digital transformation benchmark of higher vocational education in China. Together, GPST and Huawei will set new strategies, explore new modes, and achieve new success under a common vision of building new digital platforms that converge production and teaching. Our ultimate goal is to drive the development of industries and cities and set real-world standards for cloud-enabled higher vocational education development, contributing to China's education overall. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Shulei, Associate Professor and PhD in the Guangdong Polytechnic of Science and Technology. Our next speaker is Mr. Unja Kole Jean-Baptiste, who is the headmaster of Lycée Classique Abidjan, who will talk about the intelligent education that blooms in Côte d'Ivoire. Mr. Unja Kole Jean-Baptiste.
Côte d'Ivoire, located in West Africa, has one of the fastest growing economies on the continent, recording an annual growth rate of 8% up to 2020. But education in the country faces challenges, with an unbalanced distribution of educational resources and, in particular, a gap between urban and rural areas. The coverage of quality resources needs to be expanded further. To bridge the huge education resource gap, the Ministry of National Education has implemented a development strategy about the informatization of education and launched with Huawei the Côte d'Ivoire e-education project in 2019. The project aims to build a national e-education system consisting of an interactive distance learning system, a VDI system, an e-learning platform, a unified communications system, a video protection system, a new data center.
Vient à point nommé, vient s'adapter à l'ère, vient s'adapter à notre ère, à l'ère des enfants. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes au numérique et le numérique est un outil de la mondialisation. Aujourd'hui, nos élèves ont une sorte de bibliothèque en ligne où ils peuvent avoir tous les livres à leur portée, rien qu'en cliquant dans Google, etc. Donc, de leur ordinateur, ils peuvent avoir accès à des revues, ils peuvent avoir accès à des annales, ils peuvent avoir accès à des livres scientifiques, etc. etc. Et donc, le monde est au laboratoire, le monde est dans la salle informatique. Et je pense que pour nos enfants, c'est très important et nos enfants vont beaucoup aimer parce qu'ils sont portés aujourd'hui sur le numérique.
The new infrastructure is designed to promote basic local education, reduce illiteracy, improve the quality of local education, and promote the development of talent in Côte d'Ivoire. Through the distance education system, teachers teach classes in schools in Abidjan, the economic capital of Côte d'Ivoire, and students follow lessons remotely in real time, with both teachers and students easily interacting using digital equipment, electronic whiteboards, cameras, and microphones. This system mitigates the imbalanced distribution of educational resources in different regions.
Le ministère lui-même fait face à un problème crucial de manque d'enseignants, de personnel enseignant. Et je pense que j'ai expérimenté aujourd'hui, moi personnellement, un cours en direct dans 2 classes différentes. Cela veut dire que le ratio classe-professeur pourrait diminuer et faire en sorte que, on puisse résoudre à long terme ce crucial problème du déficit des enseignants.
Given a shortage of school terminal equipment, VDI systems are deployed in classrooms. Students can easily access rich networked educational resources using VDI terminals and office cloud systems, opening the window to the digital world. The introduction of the e-learning platform offers teachers and students a new digital education experience. Teachers post classes and videos on the platform, and students access the platform to follow various classes at any time using the campus Wi-Fi system. With the help of the platform, teachers and students can easily communicate and engage in discussions. The unified communications system includes electronic whiteboards, IP phones, and video phones deployed in administrative offices. It significantly improves the efficiency of communication between administrative departments. This system allows administrators to manage daily activities more easily. In order to ensure school safety and provide students with a secure and reliable learning environment, a video protection system is deployed on campuses to capture real-time footage. Directors and security officers can observe the campus situation on screens in their offices. Students enjoy a safer school life with the support of this system. The e-education project in Côte d'Ivoire has implemented modern digital education systems in several cities across the country. Digital education coverage will be further improved in the future, so that every child can benefit from ICT and everyone can participate in the digital world.
Thank you, Mr. Unja Kole Jean-Baptiste, for your insights on intelligent education that blooms in Côte d'Ivoire. Our next speaker will talk about how the Huawei ICT Academy will cultivate talent for digital transformation. Mr. Han Jiang is the director of the Huawei ICT Academy. Please welcome Mr. Han Jiang.
Hello everyone, my name is Han Jiang. I'm the program director of Huawei ICT Academy. Huawei ICT Academy is an ICT education program led by Huawei and launched for universities around the world. Huawei ICT Academy aims to cultivate applied and compound ICT talents for enterprise digital transformation. To date, we have worked with 1,500 colleges and universities around the world to train more than 3,000 certified instructors and train more than 60,000 students each year. To meet the requirements of digital transformation era, Huawei ICT Academy provides teachers and students with comprehensive courses covering Huawei's main technology fields, including connection, cloud and computing, application development. Huawei ICT Academy courses includes 4 categories. The first category is general courses for all freshmen, which includes Datacom, 5G, AI, and cloud. The professional courses and the practical courses are for computer science major students. The fourth category is compound courses, which include the newest industry applications, cases for non-computer majors, such as electronics engineering, transportation engineering, healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. It is worth mentioning that Huawei has successfully held ICT competitions for students worldwide for 5 consecutive years. In last year, we've successfully attracted more than 150,000 students from 17 countries. Finally, welcome to visit Huawei's website to apply for and join Huawei ICT Academy. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Han Jiang, director of the Huawei ICT Academy. Our next speaker is the co-founder and vice president of Tech Education, and she will speak about technology innovation and how that helps ICT talents training. Please welcome Mrs. Lily Chen.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Lily Chen from Tech Education. It's my honor to be here to share some information about ICT talent training and technology innovation. Firstly, let's see the supply and demand of ICT talents in the new world. Developing digital economy has become a global consensus. On one hand, the ICT industry development leads to increasing demands for ICT talents. On the other hand, the number and competency of ICT staff cannot satisfy enterprise requirements. Why? There is a great gap. Not only the trainee, but also the people who have received some training program, they are still lack of 2 things: the practice ability and the knowledge about the real ICT industry. What can we do? Tech Education has made efforts to construct ICT talent ecosystem with Huawei to change the situation. Tech is the largest training partner of Huawei in China. The headquarters established in Beijing and with 19 branch companies. We provide certification training for universities, enterprise, and individuals. We have published professional ICT textbooks from basic level to expert level. We have organized the global ICT competition with Huawei since 2015. Most importantly, we have set up TechEdu Collab. It's a key solution to fix the gap because it is coming from ICT industry and full of real practice and resources. The pictures can explain the development of Tech Education. We arranged the TechEdu Collab on Huawei Cloud in 2017. In the following years, we are identified as ISV partner, the solution partner, and the highest level partnership named 同舟共济 of Huawei. After rapid progress in China, Tech Educal Lab has been launched in Singapore, which means it's available for global clients now. What can we imagine from Tech Educal Lab? Let's see several numbers. The first number is 15. It means the major ICT technologies have been covered, such as AI, big data, 5G, cloud service, and cloud computing. The second number is over 3,500. It's the resources of video and teaching materials. Over 900 self-paced and hands-on labs are the most important part for improving the practical ability of ICT talents. Among them, more than 100 mock and labs are in English version. Tech Educal Lab provide learning resources and practice for students. I can tell you a story about students in a southern city who are learning computer science in the university. They make a lot of practice on case study, the practical experiments on Tech Educal Lab. 2 years later, they are qualified for the requirements of enterprise, and their salary is 30% higher than the average level. The teachers can use more functions related to the management and editing. They can teach students the courses and labs on the Tech Educal Lab. They can also edit the contents. If they want to upload their own teaching materials or labs, it's quite simple to carry out. For the administration part, the principal of a university, the boss of an enterprise, or the HR manager, they can handle the whole process of the training program. With the help of Huawei, Tech Education has provided service for over 800 universities, 5,000 enterprises, and up to 250,000 individuals. Based on technology innovation and high-quality process resources, Tech Educal Lab enables the ICT talents training anytime, anywhere. We are willing to achieve the business development together with all the global partners of Huawei. That's all about my speech. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mrs. Lily Chen, co-founder and vice president of Tech Education, for your insights on technology innovation that helps ICT talents training. Last but certainly not least is Professor Huang, who is the co-dean of the Smart Learning Institute of the Beijing Normal University, Beijing, China. He's also director of the China National Engineering Lab for Cyber Learning Intelligent Technology, and he's the director in UNESCO for the Intelligent Rural Education and Training Center. Please welcome Professor Huang, who will speak about the announcement of the joint research on the white paper on smart education in China and Central and Eastern Europe countries. Professor Huang.
Dear friends, I'm Huang from Beijing Normal University. Today, I would like to share my opinion about smart education and announce the joint research of SLABNU and Huawei. New technologies have developed since the new century, such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data. Educational institutions around the world at all levels are challenged by disruptive digital transformations to the way of learning. To deeply integrate those new technologies, on-demand services, and the adaptation of new learning contents can enhance the efficiency of learning and teaching. A high-level ICT in education is a significant solution for the future of education, which we call it smart education. The transformation from ICT education to smart education can be achieved through 3 layers: smart learning environment, technology-enhanced learning and teaching, and the evidence-based education system. Currently, reform aimed on the above concept have been interpreted all over the world, and the concept of smart education have attracted more attention. Recently, SLABNU and Huawei jointly initiated several projects on smart education. Today, we would like to announce this new project, the white paper on smart education in China and the CEE countries. Here we are glad to invite experts to contribute a chapter to visualize the current education of ICT education with effectiveness, efficiency, and sustainability. In this report, we expect the collaborative work to define and describe smart education among China and the CEE countries for the future. Then we intend to collect information, insight, and trend on the following 6 aspects, but not limited. First, the relevant curriculum and practice conducted on promoting both teachers and students' digital literacy, awareness, computational thinking, digital learning, and the information society responsibility. Second, innovative teaching methods and strategies, such as hybrid education, learning and assessment, supported and the deep integration of ICT and education. Third, process assessment of students' comprehensive quality evaluation supported by AI and big data. Fourth, personalized and on-demand services for teachers and students provided by government and enterprises. Fifth, the solutions and the policies on open education resources sharing across regions for equal and inclusive education. Last, the new mode of educational governance, which will be empowered by AI and big data. The experts from each country will contribute their own chapters. Then, a comprehensive analysis will be conducted to find the best practice and help to promote the collaborative development in smart education among China and Europe. To summarize, the structure of this white paper has 3 parts: the overall information of 18 countries, a comparison analysis, and the future trend. Please submit on 1-page abstract in the end of July. We hope the first draft from each country can be submitted by early October this year. If you have any further questions or need more information, please feel free to contact us using email address showing on the screen. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Huang for announcing the joint research on the white paper on smart education in China and Central and Eastern Europe countries. And this brings us to the end of day 1 of the Huawei Global Intelligent Education Summit. Please join us again tomorrow for day 2, where we will have a dedicated track on solutions that relate to the digital journey of education. Thank you for today.